Unlock your land's income potential with Devlin Property. Own land? Turn it into income. Most people don't realize that an unused 90 square meters on your property could add hundreds of thousands in equity. We're already building 19 homes right now for clients doing exactly this. The problem? Most owners don't know where to start. Dealing with council consents, architects, engineers, builders, subtrades, suppliers, and RFIs can feel overwhelming. So they give up and stay stuck working extra hours. But imagine your spare land transformed into a beautiful second home, fully rented, with steady income rolling in, and the peace of mind knowing your retirement is secure. At Devlin Property, we build superior quality homes fast so you can turn unused land into a long-term income stream. We handle everything: design, consenting, and construction. We'll even connect you with property managers or provide Airbnb templates to get your rental income flowing. Fast build times mean you start earning months sooner. Our superior quality builds are 7x better than building code. Our complete end-to-end service ensures zero stress. Plus, optional property manager or Airbnb setup means instant income for you. We're not new to this. We're delivering 19 homes in one order right now. Clients just like you are creating passive income and growing their property value. Book your free consultation today to see how much income your land could generate. This month, get a free appliance upgrade, but we've only got 2 spots left. Your income is guaranteed to increase, and so is your property value, or you pay nothing. At worst, you learn what's possible. At best, you start earning for life. Click below to book your free consultation now and start turning your land into income today.